Ani guys, service chat, lunsam, housekeeping, 13,000. Ni lunsam, service chat, housekeeping, lunsam, ani 210 บาท. Jok, good lang. Jok, bye. Guys, ito lang naman ang aking ginawang namin, how to say, booth para sa aming New Year party for tomorrow. Yeah, made by me. Yeah. Pack na pack. Yeah. Walang bayad yan, guys. Libre yan. Ang aking ginawang design for our New Year party. Pakak na pakak. So guys, ayan, today is our day, our New Year party for today. Yan, so yan, nakahanda ng aming mga gifts for everyone. So every department has to join here. F&B, HR, accounting, may like na front, yeah, front office yan. So yan, daming mga gifts. So, raffle draw by numbers, guys. Yan. Kimong, Mamshi? Sip 8 mong 11:30, guys. Yan. This is confirm. This is Mamshi Click. Yan. Ito naman ang aking bonggang-bonggang gift dyan from Victoria's Secret. Yan. Nasa harapan yan. Yan. Swerte nang makakakuha yan, guys. Kasi sobrang mahal yan. Pangmalakasan ang presyo niyan. Victoria's Secret. Yan yung aking gift para sa kanila. Napakaswerte ng makakakuha niyan. Yan. Talagang nasa harapan pa siya, di ba? Pumutok na kasi kagahapon pag ginawa yung balloons. Pumangit yung kulay. So, itong aming staff canteen. This is Piang Fa. Yan. So, update ko kayo mamaya pag bunutan na. Actually, meron din silang pakain, guys. Mamaya ang 11:30. So, saring-saring mga food. Thai food. Yan, so guys, ito yung namin area ng staff canteen. Mamaya may magaganap na yan, small party. May mga falafel din, guys. Tapos dito itong area ng HR namin, guys. Dito. Yan. So, busy kami. Busy mamaya, guys. Yan. Doon ang area ng kainan. Napakaliit na. Maluwang yung staff canteen namin, guys. Location nito nasa third floor. Nasa taas kami, guys. So, yun yung restaurant na hinahandlan ko, guys. Doon sa area. So, ayan, mataas. So, i-update ko kayo mamaya. Ayan, guys, mayroon ding salapaw. May salapaw man kami. Ma'am Shilek. Collect. Happy New Year. May game na connect. Memi. Yan, salapaw ani taming si may connect. Ching. Gawa daw ng may-ari do, mother ng may-ari. Siopaw. Ini pa sa Philippines, siopaw. Yeah. Tay pa sa Tay. Salapaw.
Pasatay lumpaw.
Ala na?
Pasatay lumpaw.
Lumpaw. May siya salapaw.
Pasatay.
Salapaw. Hello, ang aking anak Shi, magkasama na naman kami. Kakain kami ng kanilang pangmalakasang Thai food. It's my favorite. Ayan na sila. Ayan, spicy minced chicken, guys. Ayan. May rice. Ano pa? Ayan. Spicy minced mu. Lap mu. Ano pa? Ayan. Mga Thai food, guys. Spicy deep fried chicken. Kasi hindi ako kumakain yan. At saka yung crackers. Ano pa ba? Wala na ba? Yan. Ang dami palang lap guy. Spicy minced chicken or lap guy. Ayan na sila. Ayan. Yan yung mga pagkain namin. Anak si magpagawa ka, anak si. Magpagawa ka ng somtam mo.
gumagawa sila ng
Yan, somtam. Very popular yan ng salad dito sa Thailand.
There in Thailand. Iba yung...
Alam mo nang gumawa na siya.
Oo.
Yan.
Iba yung...
Yan. So ikaw na ang mismo gagawa ng ano salad. Salad.
Papaya salad ng
Pokpok
Thailand,
siya, eh.
napakasarap.
Pokpok na, pokpok.
In Philippines, pokpok siya.
Paano pa yung Philippines? Ano pa yung Philippines salad?
Papaya. Philippines pokpok. Hilay na?
Gusto na. Ayan na sila. Kumakain na sila. Staff, ano na yung canteen to guys. Andun yung exchange gift. Yeah, mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko. Hi, friendship. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog, friendship. Yan. Yan. Mga ano yan, FO. Ayan na, nagsisidatingan ng aming mga katrabaho dito sa hotel. Ayan, marami talaga sila guys. Kasi yung mga iba hindi pa dumating. Housekeeping, FO. Ayan, sa office accounting department, wala pa sila. Kainan muna bago mag raffle draw. Ayan, andun yung mga ibang mga managers. Doon yung GM, yung naka-block. GM. Ayan guys, yan ang aking kinuhang pagkain. Yan, somtam. May fish cracker at lap mu, spicy minced pork, and salapao or siopaw sa Pilipinas. Anakshi. So yan na, umpisa ng kainan anakshi. Kasama ko si Pon. Pon, say hi to my vlog. Anakshi, anong kinakain mo? Somtam.
Oo, somtam na sarap.
Dami nila. Ayan sila. Ayan na guys, nagsidatingan na lahat ng mga staff sa buong department. Ito si GM. Ano? Say hi to my vlog. Ayan na guys, sobrang dami ng staff. Kulang pa yan, may mga iba hindi pumasok, naka-day off. Ayan si Manak Shimmer. Guys, yun yung mga housekeeping staff. Ayan. Taga Myanmar. Friendship. Yan, kasama ko rin ang aking anak si Shampoo. Shampoo, say hi to my vlog. Aming kalabang. Susi! You say hi. Yan. Ano, tayo video. Collect. Yung mga ibang staff ng housekeeping. Friendship.
Friendship po. Dapat tayo ng plak mo ah. Bebe daw.
Ang ingay nila. Yan. Friendship!
Sawadika!
May anak si Fern. Say hi to my vlog. Masa. Masa. Tin yang.
กินแล้ว
อยู่ตรงฮัมนี่โทรศัพท์กินก่อน
งานคุณเรียก
ให้อ่ะ
ไปถ่ายกับช่าง
เนี่ยอันนั้นชีano ba yun?
ก่อนนะคะ เดี๋ยวก่อนอื่นเดี๋ยวจะขอเรียนเชิญ GM กล่าวอวยพรปีใหม่พนักงานก่อนนะคะจะขอเรียนเชิญ GM ค่ะ
Naiintindihan ko na si Conlec. Naiintindihan ko na sila kung nagsasalita sila ng Thai guys. Ayan si GM namin, si Kunsu. Sobrang bait niyan guys. Ayan, sobrang nagpakabait.
ที่พูดไปนะคะก็ปีใหม่นี้ก็ขอให้ทุกคนนะคะมีความสุขสุขภาพแข็งแรงกันทุกคนนะคะปีนี้ก็ปีแรกนะที่มาเจอกันนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยอาจจะมีอะไรเปลี่ยนแปลงบ้างนะคะเจมอาจจะแบบถูกบ้างหรือว่าใช้อะไรทำเยอะบ้างก็เข้าใจนิดนึงนะเราก็อยากให้โรงแรมของเราเนี่ยดีขึ้นนะคะแล้วก็มีเซอร์วิสชาร์จเยอะๆนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นตรงนี้เนี่ยมาได้2 เดือนกว่าเดือนกว่า
Yan, naiintindihan ko yung sinasabi ni GM guys.
ทุกคนเนี่ยประหยัดแข็งนะคะทำงานหนักช่วงนี้นิดนึงนะคะเดี๋ยวพอหมดหน้าไฮซีซั่นก็จะได้พักผ่อนกันนะคะแล้วก็อย่างที่บอกนะจริงทีมอยากให้พวกเราได้เงินเดือนขึ้นเยอะๆแล้วก็มีเซอร์วิสชาร์จเยอะๆอย่างน้อยก็คือเป็นกำลังใจในการทำงานนะคะ และถ้าสิ่งหนึ่งที่เห็นทางทีมเราเนี่ยช่วยกันนะคะด้วยความยินดีอันนี้ต้องขอบคุณทุกคนมากๆนะคะปีนี้ปีแรกนะอาจจะมีอะไรขรุขระบ้างนะคะแต่นั่นคือเห็นแล้วก็ทุกคนก็เก่งสำราญนะคะมีความสุขกันก็ดีใจด้วยนะคะต้องขอบคุณคนตัดส้มตำด้วยนะคะอร่อย
จะรับดาวนึงส้มตำ
ของรางวัลนะคะอันนี้เป็นดวงของใครได้ก็ได้นะคะไม่แค่สองรางวัลนะคะเป็นอะไรไม่รู้ที่หนึ่งมาเรายังไม่บอกนะคะแต่ตอนนี้ขอจับรางวัลแรกรางวัลหนึ่งก่อน
Start na ng raffle draw guys. I exchange
ก็
gift.
คือเดี๋ยวจะจับของขวัญก็คือถ้าเกิดว่าทีมจับของใครได้ก็คนนั้นจับต่อค่ะรันกันไปเรื่อยๆนะคะอันนี้
47 ang una guys. Number 47. Yan, si Shampoo. Sobrang bait nitong batang to guys. Shampoo. Shampoo! Yan, susunod na. Sunod-sunod na yan guys. Trabaho dati guys. Anak si Alaya.
ไม่รู้
Hasip ko. Ang aking friendship sa housekeeping. Ano na? Ayan, chief engineer namin yan si Kuntay. Napakabait niyan guys. Si Pitay. Counting yan guys. Bait din yan. Sobrang bait din yan. Yan. Housekeeping cleaner si Tanay Myanmar. Yan. Mabait din yan. Yan, housekeeping yan guys. Si Gina ang aking friendship. Housekeeping yan, Myanmar. Ayan. Oh, ay 21 na ang sheet. 28. Kun Kwan, ka-workmate ko dati. Ay, ตกใจอ่ะเกิดว่า41kung ma'am. Ayan guys, number 26 from housekeeping department.
ของพี่พริกพี่พริก
Yan, si Counting. Si Piping, Kunsaliin. Ano? Ang ating friendship dyan. Kin yan, si Kin yan. Housekeeping din ang friendship! Ayan si Susie. Sana nakasunod na sila. Action! Ang aking anak siya si Jane. Former trainee ko, guys. Assistant FO si Kunmot. Friendship ko din yan. Si Tom, sales department. Mabait yan. Sobrang bait yan. Friendship ko yan. Ay, former katrabaho din yan. Si Pityap. Ayan, IT manager namin si Kun Kwan. Right yan, guys. IT manager namin si Kun Kwan. Si Pihong accounting, guys. GM. Nabunot yan kay GM. Nabunot, swerte niya. Nabunot yan kay GM. Sa friendship ko rin yan. Housekeeping. Pichim. Ito naman niya. Kunkuan. Yan, friendship ko rin yan sa Kunkuan.
Basta, Meli?
Wow, kilone juja. Ama, kilone juja dupa yara. Bije.
Cuma dari ni.
Mau le. Mau.
Ada.
Sikan.
Kita bang, wala ka pala.
Kalimutan ka i-video si Pima. Yan guys, so I have to end my vlog. Tapos na rin to. Babalik na ako sa ating gift party. You say bye-bye. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Ayan guys, so bubuksan ko ng aking na-receive na gift. Ayan. From housekeeping. Ayan, from housekeeping. Name, Hannah.
Hana.
Yeah, Hannah. Let us open. Buksan natin. Anong binigay? Anyways, it doesn't matter how much. Anak she, it doesn't matter how much is the price, you know? Yeah. The thing is that guys, we enjoy. I enjoyed the party. What? It's a rice cooker, anak she. I don't know, Alaya. Alaya.
Mo.
Alaya.
Suki.
Nga. Lutuan pala siya guys. Multi-cooker pot. Pamansong ko yung asit. Simek ha?
May, 300 กว่าบาท.
Yeah, so ayan guys, ang aking nabunot nakuha from our raffle draw. Yeah, ano yan? Multi-cooker pot. Lutuan ng noodles. Ano ba? Pamkapaw dahil may? Pwede ka mag-gusto ng maliit nga lang siya. Okay na ito. At least, kahit pa paano, diba? We are happy. Siyempre. Ano yan? Song receipt ka ba, siyempre? 219 baht daw, guys. Song receipt ka ba? Ang ating nag-getching. Hindi man lang, siyempre, may kunsamroy. Yeah. Actually guys, ang usapan 300, siyempre 300 baht, siyempre. And then yan, chinek ng aking staff 219 baht. hindi pumasa. Hindi may kunsamroy friendship.